guys, welcome back to this week's video. Oh, sorry. So hi guys, welcome back to this week's video. So today I will be reading you a story called Monkey Puzzle. Here we go. Monkey Puzzle. Illustrated by Julia Donaldson. Written by Axel Scheffler. Oh, where's the CD? Where is it? Oh. I've lost my mom. Come on. Hush, little monkey. Don't you cry. I'll help you find her, said Butterfly. Let's have a think. How big is she? She's big, said the monkey. Bigger than me. Bigger than you? Then I've seen your mom. Come, little monkey. Come, come, come. Oops, sorry, guys. No. That's an elephant. My mom isn't a great gray hunk. She hasn't got trunks or a curly trunk. She doesn't have great thick baggy knees. And anyway, her tail coils around. Sorry, what happened? Round trees. She coils round trees, then she's very near. Quick, little monkey, she's over here. No, that's a snake. Mom doesn't look a bit like this. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't slither about and hiss. She doesn't curl around and nest and... let me repeat that sentence. She doesn't curl around a nest of eggs. And anyway, my mom's got more legs. By the way, he doesn't have legs. Why did she say that or he said that? Whoa. Its legs we're looking for now. You say, I know where she is. Then come this way. Oops, sorry. No. That's a spider. Mom isn't black and hairy and fat. She's not got so many legs like that. She'd rather eat fruit than swallow a fly. And she lives in the treetops way up high. She lives in the trees. You should have said, your mummy's hiding above your head. No, that's a parrot. Mom got a nose and not a beak. She doesn't squawk and squabble and shriek. She doesn't have claws our feathery wings. And anyway, my mom leaps and springs. Aha! I've got it. She leaps about. She's just round the corner without a doubt. Wait, what? What is that? Yeah, doubt. No, no, no! That's a frog! Butterfly, butterfly, please don't joke. Mom's not green and she doesn't croak. She's not all slimy. Oh dear, what a muddle. She's brown and furry and nice to cuddle. Brown fur? Why didn't you tell me so? Well, find her in no time. Well, I'll find her in no time. Off we go. No, that's a bat. Why do you keep on getting it wrong? Mom doesn't sleep the whole day long. I told you she's got no wings at all. And anyway, she's not nearly too small. So small. Your mom's not little. Now let me think. She's down by the river having a drink. Wait, what? An elephant? No! That's the elephant again. Butterfly, butterfly, can't you see? None of these creatures look like me. You never told me she looked like you. Of course, I didn't. I thought you knew. I didn't know. I couldn't, you see? None of my babies look like me. So she looks like you. Well, if that's the case, well, I will soon discover her hiding place. No, that's my dad. Come, little monkey, come. It's time I took you home too. Mom! The end. Thanks for watching. Bye.